Hey, what's up, guys? So since this year, I've been was it this year or last year, late last year? I've been investing on my business, and what I'm investing on is not only the video aspect. Yes, I do the video aspect, but I'm doing some other aspects also. You see, I need to fill up my brain, my knowledge, so that I'll be able to give out more value and all not only to give out more value to people, to people listening to my podcast, my videos, but also to be able to give value to my clients. I want to write a copy. I want to write an advertisement. I want to write an advertorial. I want to write a marketing copy that will sell millions. I've done copies that sold $100,000, more than that. And I've written copies that sold. I've given speeches like sales speech that gave me thousands of dollars. Yes, but I want to go to the next level, to another level, whereby I can when people watch, when people want to do their marketing videos, they come to me. I do it for them. I did one late last year. I will show it here, but I want to do, I'm booking an appointment with this same person to come over to shoot more. So if I want to do that, I need a better mic for my camera. So it's not just the cameras, a sound, but a good mic. So I invested in this and it just came today. So I'm just trying to unbox it right now. I just opened the top because I was not going to do this before, but I just decided to why don't you do it? Just do it. So this is part of my investment. So this is my Rode microphone. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out to be, but I wish it's good. So here it says 2 years warranty. Can you see? Okay, 2 years warranty. Integrated record Larry suspension, no battery required, lightweight. So yeah, I can say it's lightweight. So because when it came, I picked it up with my baby cousin, and I said, oh, this is not heavy, it's lightweight. And he said, oh yeah, do you expect it to be heavy? Oh, I don't know what I was expecting anyways. So but I got it. So I wouldn't know if I'm still gonna test it tonight to see how it works or no. So anyways, all I just wanted to say is, yeah, unboxing it. So if I'm unboxing, I think I should bring it out of the box. So let me take it out of the box and see exactly how it looks. Let me touch it. Oh, okay, I got something here that I need to open. So when I start using it, I'll let you know if I remember, because I'm not just really the flashy type that says everything. And again, I'm working with a lady we just got to know not quite long. She's now a friend. I'm easy to make friend. So she's not a friend, she's a chef. I will be giving you more about her as time goes on, and I would even want you guys to order from her. If you're ordering from her, possibly I'm gonna do free shipping. Like I'm gonna pay for your shipping, and she just send it to you or she brings it to you. So that's it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Oh, this foam is actually good. I like the foam. Okay, it's long even to this extent. It's long to this extent, and okay. I think okay, you put the video mic go. Made in Australia. Oh, okay, first time, not from China. Yeah, anyways, that's called Rode. And this is the wire. The one I used to have, the microphone I used to have, I think I can't remember, it's Comica or something like that. It was a very small one, and he had I think he had, I can't remember, 2 or 3 of these. And one special thing that I liked about that one was the what is it called? The fluffy the fluffy cover for the mic. he has one like this. He has one which was fluffy. I went to do a video for my church, for the kids, and when I asked them which of these covers do you want on the mic, and they were like, "Ah, "Hey, uncle, I want that one," which is the fluffy one. People love something, fancy like that, especially kids. So this is my mic. I will be working with this henceforth when I'm using the camera. If I'm using the phone, don't expect this. I don't know. I would try, or maybe I should just try it right now. Okay, let's see what happens. Actually, I have the Bluetooth. I think it's connected, but let me try open this and see if it's gonna work. I hope I don't have a call right now. I'm gonna go do it this way. Sorry, it's dark. You see my bulb? See my door entrance? I'm not closing outrightly. Yeah, so come on, man. Good. So here it says road. So it's a big deal. I don't know which to plug to the phone and which to plug to the camera. So this is not long. Is that not a red flag? I think can stretch a little bit. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, the video is going 6 minutes already. 6 minutes already. 6 minutes already. And I was thinking it's not gonna be up to that. So let's see if the sound is gonna be different, because it doesn't need a special settings. Okay, so yeah, close to my mouth. Yeah, so this is the testing of the microphone. Yeah, far a little bit, as long as my hand is long. So I mean, as long as my hand is, so yeah, that's it. So same place, same area with the phone. So that's it. I don't know if it's cool or not, so I'll try it. Then I'm posting this straight up to YouTube, and I'm gonna bring it on the Instagram press and have Facebook. So did you go to learn on YouTube? Don't forget to join. Thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye.